Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. You are looking with me on our own 2006 Honda Ridgeline with approximately 220,000 miles on the odometer. We think she's the best vehicle we ever have owned because she's extremely reliable and also very practical. The seats inside, we never sat in so wide and comfortable seats. You end up appreciating it on the long drives, and we drive 5.5, 6 hours down to Sacramento area. You can just do the whole trip at once. You just keep going. It's fantastic. It's very practical. It's a small pickup. She has also that incredible feature I will just show you. There is basically storage underneath the bed. I'm not sure what is there right now, but this is how it works. A huge storage, basically hidden. Not everybody knows about that. We love this vehicle. We would like to keep her forever, but she just got damaged. Last week my wife came to visit me at my shop right here, and she parked on the street because the fences were closed already. And then she left, sat in the vehicle, and in like 10-15 seconds drunk driver side swept that entire vehicle. Let me show you the damage. And it's amazing who is drunk 4:40 p.m. when it's just afternoon. Apparently that driver was really bad shape. The co-workers here from the landlords, they followed the driver, called police. The police stopped him and charged him with DUI, and he went to the jail. So basically, as he was driving, the sidewalk was right here on this side, and this was the exposed area when the traffic drives by. And for some reason, he hit this vehicle. And it started right here. I hope you can see it. So that's beginning. It went right here. It's not touching here, so maybe it was his mirror, I don't know. It was a guy, so I will say his. And it continued right here. There is a dent here, it's damaged, the door is damaged. The gap is larger right here. These are all scratches from that. Hit the mirror is gone. So it's just folded for us. Let's go back here. It hit the flap. This is from that accident. This is all damaged. That front fender, it's all damaged. So it continued here. It hit the rim. The rim has actually prints. And right now the vehicle alignment is slightly off, because when you drive, it pulls to the side and it very slightly shakes. So something happened there. We don't know yet. So it was here. Now unfortunately, that front bumper was completely hanging off. It ripped it off from its mount. The mount is in the vehicle. There was a mount underneath which we don't see. I was on the floor. This whole thing got ripped off. Here is a crack. Right? And it went all the way around and ripped itself off right here. It wasn't like that before. It was perfect on this side. There was nothing wrong with it. So this is completely damaged, cracked. There's a lot of damage here. If you look at it, it's that whole fender. So I wanted to show you the damage, but not only that, just for the info, I will discuss what I know after visiting today, a couple hours ago, I had an appointment with a Geico insurance adjuster. I will tell you what she said. It was learning, a lot of learning for me. I'm not in this business. I maintain and repair cars, but not a body work. So I learn a lot, and I would like to entertain you with it and give you some little details about this industry. And basically, I contacted Geico, and Geico said, hey, do you want to just send us a bunch of pictures and we will do appraisal in the house online and we will send you a check, or do you want to see the real person? Of course, I don't believe they will be able to assess the damage, which we are not done because we don't know. I need to go for alignment. Just happened a few hours ago, so I still need to go for alignment. That's already included in the price, in the total I just got today, but there might be more. There might be damage to the outer tie rod, inner tie rod. The rim might be damaged or cracked. We don't know. So this is ongoing situation. But if we are lucky, there is no more damage and it's only slightly off because it got hit. The wheel got hit. So I did choose to meet a Geico representative in person, the appraiser, and be able to tell them everything and show them every single detail in a person. I hope it was correct decision. So basically the employee of Geico, she listened to me. We spent approximately 30 to 40 minutes together. She went in detail doing her work, and I learned a few things. So what shocked me was that they will repair or estimate the repair of this vehicle. They will use used parts. You heard correctly. I never heard of it in my life. They will use used parts. I did this when she said it, and she said, no, that's an industry standard. It's not just Geico. That's all over across the range. And they call it alternate parts suppliers, for example. So I have non-OEM bumper cover, non-OEM left fender. That metal will be non-OEM. Non-OEM fender liner, which is inside above the wheel, that's the plastic. They will use, she guesstimated, used rim and used tire. So that was really surprising me. On top of it, the most shocking was she will get from the Northern California, I will say, I guess, junkyard or recycling parts company in Reading, she will get used mirror. That entire assembly, which is in the pieces, it's missing chunk of that plastic. It's a used in the cost of only $71 for that part. That absolutely did blow my mind. Like, wow. I guess the times when you got everything brand new, they are over or never existed. I don't know. I'm not specialist, and I was surprised, and that's why I want to share it with you, how this business works when you are insuring your vehicle. So estimate totals were in categories. Parts, which was, and I will read it roughly, $1,200. Body labor, $1,800. Paint labor, $1,700. Paint supplies, $777. Miscellaneous, $150. Other charges, $3. And basically with tax, sales tax and everything, it came for $5,700 to repair this vehicle. Now, what came surprise to me, I always have everywhere $500 deductible. But apparently, and I'm not aware of it, but I don't think they are cheating on me, on collision on this vehicle, we have chosen $1,000 deductible. That will be deducted, of course. So we might get from Geico check for $4,700. And at this moment we are choosing to take a check and basically just clean up the side. The vehicle, it's older. It has scratches and bruises from the previous original owner and us too. We also damaged the corner over there. So she's, let's say, in rough shape. The paint is fading on the roof. The clear coat is failing. So it's an older truck. So we rather take the check for the damages. I will start repairing the paint basically in 5 minutes. I just wanted to film it all, and I will start trying to cleaning it. We will see how it can clean out, what's the shape. Everything else works normally except that steering. It doesn't feel like anything else is damaged, so we will take a check and have a beater Honda Ridgeline. We don't want to sell her. We really like it. And my wife actually would like to get the new generation used one. We don't want to buy brand new, but a used Ridgeline, just that new generation again. I really hope you find this video interesting, that it was worth for me to film all these details for you and share it. For me, I have learned a bunch of stuff definitely today, how this industry works. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I will always have a lot of videos coming your way soon on this channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.